What? I thought she came here.
Okay, let's stay calm.
I'm going on the biggest ride first.
You said we'd ride together.
That one's for big kids.
I am a big kid.
This line's gonna take forever.
We already promised them snacks.
Leo, stay with Mia while we wait, okay?
Okay, Mom. Okay, Mom. Leo, look at the bunny.
I didn't like that rabbit.
It's so cute.
Let's get out of here.
Wait for me.
I'm walking normal.
No, you're not. Can I hold your hand?
You don't have to do that.
It's crowded.
I'm not Mom.
Okay.
Just stay here for a second, okay?
Okay. They keep floating away. They look like little planets. Unicorn! 98! Come on, 2 more! New high score! You're my carnival friend. Okay?
Mia? Mia?
I think I'm getting hungrier.
Me too.
The kids are probably having fun.
I'm sure they are.
Okay, don't panic. Maybe she's over there. Mia likes unicorns.
This line is moving so slowly.
I told you it would be busy.
What did the kids want again?
Popcorn, pretzels, lemonade.
And probably more sugar.
This is my fault. Please be okay, Mia.
And done.
Hey, Leo.
Where's your sister?
I thought she was with you.
What? I thought she came here. Leo, where did you leave her? I didn't leave her. Then where is she?
Okay, let's stay calm.
Hi there.
Hi!
Do you like face painting?
Yes!
What would you like?
A unicorn princess dragon.
That's very specific.
I know.
I don't see her anywhere.
Let's keep moving.
Leo, where did you see her last? Near the arcade. I should have stayed with her.
Oh, wow.
Do you like it?
I love it. I look magical.
We've checked this area twice.
Let's keep looking.
I don't see her. She has to be somewhere. What if she's scared?
Thank you.
Wow.
I need one volunteer.
Me. Me.
You.
Yay.
What's your name?
Mia.
Nice to meet you, Mia.
Nice to meet you too.
Everyone, this is Mia.
Hi.
Mia, are you ready for some magic?
I've been ready my whole life. She wanted to hold my hand. I said no. I should have let her.
Right now, we focus on finding Mia.
Okay.
Can you hold this? Don't move. Okay, Mia. What do you think is inside?
A dragon.
A dragon?
Maybe a small one.
See? Nothing inside.
I don't trust it.
Mia!
Check over there.
Excuse me. Have you seen a little girl? Maybe. What does she look like?
She loves unicorns. She was wearing a pink hair clip.
I painted her face a few minutes ago.
Where did she go?
I think she went toward the magic show.
Let's go. Say the magic word.
Abracadabra!
Ready?
It worked!
Wait. Is that Mia?
Can you change its color?
I can try. Abracadabra! It changed! Mom! Dad! I found Mia!
Where?
Over there! Leo! Mom! Dad! Look at my face!
I think your family found you. Thank you for helping me, Mia.
You're welcome.
Let's hear it for Mia!
Mia!
Leo!
Mia, I'm sorry.
For what?
I lost you. I let go of your hand.
But you found me!
Mia, we were so worried.
Where were you, sweetheart?
I got my face painted.
Okay, team. What do we do if we can't find each other?
Stay where I am,
That's right.
And I hold her hand.
Exactly. We stay together.
Can I hold your hand now?
Okay. But don't let go.
I won't.